Hello friends, let us study something about how the historical development took of MIS. So basically the concept of MIS has been changed substantially over the years to come. In 1950s and 60s, managers actually saw the potential of computers to process large amount of data. So the departments were involved. Such activities like electronic data processing, EDP came to place. The focus was for record keeping. For the payroll data. When large number of people come, large number of employees come together, and their payrolls need to be calculated. So during 1950s and 1960s, the managers thought that the computers can be useful actually to process that large amount of data. And in the 1970s, there was some disconcerting shift from data to information. The focus was not on data but on analysis of organization data. So there was a shift in the philosophy. That shift came to be widely known as management information system. So basically from 1970s, the MIS came into existence, that providing the right information in right time to the right place. So this is how the historical development took place. But in the 1970s, the top management relied on the staff of EDP and MIS to supply necessary information. But in 1980s, they saw the personal computer revolution, and that personal computer, that is desktop metaphor, changed the picture completely. The biggest payoff was the direct use of what-if analysis, and this is how it led to emergence of decision support system. Here what if analysis factor came into existence, where the programming languages were effectively applying the what if analysis tool, and this is how the computer took place. So there was a historic in the information and the decision hungry managers in 1980. They saw a huge potential in the expert system, specifically AI, that is artificial intelligence system. In the 1980s, they saw that there was a need of some artificial intelligence, and combining the philosophy of DSS and expert system, the superior class came up with the idea of knowledge based system, that is KBB, and where the knowledge based system came into existence. So the EDP targeted the operational level management, that is MIS, DSS and KBS, which targeted the middle management. So EDP is going to target which the operational level of management. MIS, DSS, KBS targeted the middle level management, and attempts were made to provide the information to the top management, where the top management targeted actually the executive information systems. So these three systems came into existence, where I'll be showing here. This is the chart. In 1950s, transactional processing system, that is the transactions were recorded into the systems, and the work was done on processing of transactions. Whereas in the next in 1960s came the office automation systems. Office were automated with the help of recording the transactions, and here afterwards the MIS came into existence, right? So in 1970s, if you see, the MIS came into existence, and with the help of MIS, decisions were easily maken, and that's why the DSS support system, that is decision support system, came into existence. And by applying that tool and knowing the capabilities of the DSS, the executive support system came into existence afterwards. It actually supported the executives, that what decisions you have taken, whether they were correct, and what was the effect of that decisions that was calculated in ESS. Afterwards, the expert system came into existence, which actually guided the managers, top level management to take the expert decisions. So here the expert system came into existence, and nowadays we are working in the era of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is nothing but here we are actually programming the robots to work artificially, and here the technology has really changed. Artificial intelligence is the era of 21st century. If you want to study artificial intelligence, I think it would be very useful in the days to come. we'll see how the development took place. Here EDP actually focused on data only. So EDP was electronic data processing. It actually focused on data, whereas office automation system is focused on communication, where the different departments of the different offices were communicating to each other. And when people started focusing on the created creating extracts from the data, the information was created, and this is how the MIS started working. When the focus was shifted for decision making, DSS came into existence, that is decision support system. Focus on the decision support for the top management. For top management decision making, executive information system came into existence. And for consultation, for helping the top management or consulting the top management, these expert systems came into existence. And when the people started focusing on self learning or thinking systems, this is how the artificial intelligence came into existence. So this is nothing but the step by step process how the history has developed as far as MIS is concerned. As far as MIS is concerned, we are showing you. In the next slide, we will be studying about the characteristics of MIS. Stay tuned to the videos. Thank you.